Hey guys, welcome back. This is Naresh. So in this video, we will learn about one of the important topic in Python, which is method overloading. So in various languages, there is a way through which you can have a method which can accept different parameters, and according to that, you can put some logic. So I will show you the same in Python, how we do that in Python. So I'm creating one class here. So I will say class, and I will call it as student. And here I am creating one function or a method with the keyword def, and I will say sum. Okay, and I'm assuming this will accept two arguments here. Okay, and here I will say result equal to a plus b, and then just a minute, it will return the result. Okay, simple, very simple program. And now I will create object student, and here I will say student class, and now I will call student object with the method sum, and here I will give 2, 3. If I run it, you will see that okay, let me give a print statement so that we can see the result. So if I run that, you will see I'm getting an output 5. Okay, but what if I can give more inputs here? If I give 2, 3, 8, so here if I run it, I'm getting an error because right now I'm giving 3 values and this method is only accepting 2 values. So how can I make a method which can accept more than one parameter, and it's dynamic? Sometimes it can accept 2, sometimes it can accept 3, so all are valid for that method. How can I do that in Python? So for that, what I will do, I will make some changes here. So in a plus b, I will just give result equal to 0 first. So initially the result is 0, and now I will give some condition. Like for example, I will say if, okay, even before I give a condition, let's assume that this method can accept 3 values at the max. So I will say comma c, and I will give you a default value here. So I will say a equal to none, similar way b equal to none, similar way c equal to none. Okay, and here I can give one, I can say logic which say a not equal to none. So I'm saying if a is not equal to none and b is not equal to none and c is not equal to none. So I'm just checking that, let me give equal to here. Okay, so I'm just saying that if all 3 things are none, a, b and c, that's mean I am receiving 3 values. Okay, so I will say result equal to a plus b plus c. Simple. Then I can put some more conditions here. I can say elif, and now I will say if a is not equal to b and a is not equal to none and b is not equal to none. So that's mean I'm receiving 2 values, and then if I receive 2 values, I will say result equal to a plus b. Okay, and what if I receive only 1 value? So I will say, maybe I can go to else condition, or I can put a elif also again. I will say elif a is not equal to none. So that's mean if I am receiving 1 value, in that case, just put equal to here. Wait, there is some mistake here. Let me just do again. If a is not equal to none, so I will say result is equal to a. Okay, so I have made this method in a way so that it can accept 3 values, or it can accept 2 values, or it can accept 1 value. So let's try to give this 3 value now. So we will use the same method student.sum, and let's see what is the result which I'm getting. If I run that, you will see that I'm getting 13, right? So this is the sum of 3 values. Let's say if my user put only 2 values, if I run it, it will give me sum of 2 values, and even if it give 1 value in the sum, it will we give me one value. Okay, so that's mean this method has become dynamic. It can have an input as one value, two value, or three value. So it is doing you can say it is changing its behavior depending upon the input which I am giving. So that is one of the way which is we call it as a polymorphism, or we can always call it as a method overloading in Python. Alright, so this is a very simple example through which you can learn the concept what is a method overloading in Python. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.